Congress leader Rahul Gandhi took on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government at the centre for its response to the coronavirus crisis. Rahul Gandhi has blamed the government for a failed lockdown as he compared India's nationwide shutdown to those in other countries.
That the aim and the purpose of our lockdown has failed. What India is facing now in front of us is the result of a failed lockdown. But we want to understand what the government's view is going forward. We want to understand what is their strategy. It is pretty clear that 4 stages of lockdown have not produced the result that the Prime Minister expected.
The central government had imposed the lockdown in late March and has extended it several times before announcing a staggered exit starting next Monday. The Health Ministry's data, however, has shown a dramatic rise in the number of COVID-19 cases and deaths in recent days. Rahul Gandhi tweeted 5 graphs that showed how lockdowns in European countries had helped bring down the number of daily cases, but in India, the surge remained unabated and the decision to lift the restrictions come at a time when the growth is at an all-time high. For weeks, Rahul Gandhi has critiqued the government's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic, the subsequent lockdown and the devastating effects on the India's poor. In early February, around 2 weeks after India reported its first coronavirus case, and while the government was preparing a dazzling visit for US President Donald Trump, Rahul Gandhi had said PM Modi's administration was not taking the extremely serious threat seriously. With restrictions being eased over the past few weeks and more due in coming days, India has seen a surge in COVID-19 numbers. While the country reported its first 1,000 deaths due to coronavirus in 48 days of the pandemic, now the same number is reported in around 4 days. At 2.26 lakh cases and over 6,300 deaths, India now ranks at the 7th worst hit nation in terms of cases and 12th in deaths, greater on both counts than China, where the deadly virus emerged late last year. The government's nationwide lockdown, announced abruptly 2 months after the first cases emerged, has also left lakhs of poor and migrant workers without access to income, food or shelter. Rahul Gandhi has raised the issue of the casual approach by the government at the time when coronavirus is reaching record rise.